Tesla Optimus factory construction officially underway at Giga, Texas. Tesla's dedicated factory for building up to 10 million Optimus units is officially under construction at Gigafactory Texas. Drone footage released on May 27 by Giga Texas observer Joey Klender captures the significant milestone of the first steel structure officially standing at Tesla's new Optimus factory on the north campus of the facility. Phase 2 of land reclamation is advancing steadily, and the progress will let the new building extend nearly the full length of the main Giga Texas factory, potentially exceeding 4,000 feet, while measuring somewhere between 50 and 70 meters narrower. Extensive foundation work is proceeding as well. Big news at the new Optimus 10 meters Y factory construction site today. The first steel structure has been erected as expected. The second phase of land reclamation is underway. This facility forms a central element of Tesla's broader North Campus expansion at Giga, Texas. The project will add more than 5.2 million square feet of new industrial space. It sits alongside other advanced developments, including a terafab for next-gen AI chips. The scale reflects Tesla's commitment to transforming humanoid robotics into a core pillar of the company's future. Musk has said that Optimus will be the biggest product in the world on several occasions. He believes it will be Tesla's biggest valuation contributor. Tesla prepares to expand Giga Texas with new Optimus production plant. Tesla plans to build about 10 million robots at the site annually once it is completed, which would be about 27,000 units each day. The Optimus plant at Giga Texas is part of Tesla's phased strategy for Optimus manufacturing, in an effort to start production of the robot well before the Giga Texas plant is complete. Tesla ended production of the Model S and Model X vehicles, which were built in Fremont, California, to make way for initial Optimus manufacturing efforts. Production there will start in either July or August of this year, and early units will support internal factory tasks, while the team gathers real-world data to refine processes. The Gigafactory Texas facility will house a second-gen production line. It targets high-volume output, starting in summer 2027. Musk has repeatedly described Optimus as potentially more valuable than Tesla's entire vehicle business. Current versions are already completing minor tasks around various facilities, while Tesla continues to refine its abilities and add new features. Tesla's total investment could reach several $billion. Significant challenges lie ahead, including the creation of an entirely new manufacturing ecosystem, the refinement of AI systems for dependable autonomy, and the development of reliable supply chains for actuators, sensors, and other components. Nevertheless, the visible progress at Giga Texas highlights Tesla's capacity to translate ambitious concepts into physical reality. Tesla's Optimus factory stands as much more than a simple expansion project, as it is quite literally the second phase of what could potentially be the biggest product ever. With construction beginning, 2027 is poised to become a transformative year for Tesla, as it evolves even further from an electric vehicle leader into a pioneer of intelligent, general-purpose machines. Source: reposted and summarized from Joey Klender at teslarati.